So the first thing we want to do is fill out the creditor's name, street address, city and town, state or province, country, zip, and foreign postal code, and a telephone number. So let's get into it. Let's do this. So we're going to go with John Doe. And next we're going to put in his street address, which is 1234 Maple Street. You can see I don't fill these out a lot. And that is any town. We're going to pick Indiana this year. And it's going to be USA. And then we're going to put in his phone number. Then the next thing we do is put in the creditor's tax ID number. That's going to be 55 dash. Then we're going to put in the debtor's number, and that's going to be 444. There you go. Then the debtor's name is David Smith. Sorry to any David Smiths out there. And that's going to be 12234 Main Street. Sorry guys, I'm having a hard time. And that's going to be downtown PA 12345, and the account number, if you have one. So for this one, it's going to be 11111111. Now, the date of the event. Let's say I decide to cancel that debt on December 31st of this year. The amount of the debt discharged is $250,000. The interest included on that, let's say I was running that interest very simply and not charging a lot of interest. Let's say I'm discharging $25,000 of interest. We won't get into the details of the note. It's not necessary. We're discharging that for year 2023. The debt description, and here's what we're going to say. Private money loan for the purchase of real estate for the primary residence of the debtor. And we're going to check, yes, that the debtor was personally liable for the repayment of this debt. Now, you'll need to determine what your event code is here. So read the instructions. The fair market value of the property, let's say it is $500,000 for a house. And let's figure out what this identifiable event code is for this particular person. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into the instructions, and I'm going to do this where you guys don't see it on another computer and find it for you. So here are the different event codes. A is for bankruptcy. B is other judicial debt relief. C is statute of limitations or expiration of deficiency period. D is foreclosure elections. E is debt relief from probate or similar proceedings. F, by agreement. G, decision or policy to discontinue collection. H, other actual discharge before identifiable event. So I'm going to choose H here, and that is the form. So what happens next is I send a copy of this to the debtor, and then I send it to the IRS, and I keep a copy for myself. That's how this works. I hope that's been helpful in how to fill this out. Now, I want to go back up here to debt description. If you have an agreement, I strongly encourage you to attach it to this 1099-C and send it in to the IRS, to the debtor, and keep a copy exactly as you filled it out. That will be helpful to you. So there you go. That's how you do it. Good luck. Again, consult your CPA, your attorney, and your financial advisors, because again, while I'm an attorney, I'm not your attorney. And this is just for informational purposes only. Good luck out there. Have a great day, and thanks for buying this course.